Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we help you make the best choices for your hard-earned money. Today, I'm diving into the ultimate showdown between two popular smartwatches to figure out which product gives you more bang for your buck. We know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right gadget, so we're here to break it down for you. We'll be comparing features, prices, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we've got the XYZ smartwatch. This sleek and stylish gadget has been making waves in the market. Priced at $199, it's loaded with features like heart rate monitoring, GPS, and even a sleek design that makes it look like $1 million. It's perfect for those who want a blend of functionality and style. The design is not just about looks, it's also about comfort and durability. The XYZ smartwatch is built to last and can withstand daily wear and tear. But what about battery life? We all know how frustrating it can be to charge your devices constantly. Well, this baby lasts up to 5 days on a single charge. Not bad, right? You can go almost a week without worrying about recharging. On the flip side, we have the ABC smartwatch, coming in at a more budget-friendly price of $149. It's a great option for those who want a reliable smartwatch without breaking the bank. It also boasts heart rate monitoring and GPS, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals and never lose your way. But here's the kicker. Its battery life stretches up to 7 days. That's 2 extra days compared to the XYZ, giving you more time to enjoy its features without interruption. Plus, it has customizable watch faces. Pretty neat. You can personalize it to match your style or mood, making it truly your own. Now let's break it down. Both smartwatches offer similar features, but there are some key differences that might sway your decision. Both smartwatches offer heart rate monitoring, GPS, and customizable features, but the XYZ stands out with its premium design and a slightly more responsive touchscreen. The XYZ's design is more polished, and its touchscreen is incredibly responsive, making it a joy to use. It's perfect for those who value aesthetics and user experience. However, the ABC gives you an edge with longer battery life and a lower price point. It's ideal for those who prioritize functionality and budget. So, which one's the best value? It really depends on what you're looking for in a smartwatch. If you're all about aesthetics and a responsive interface, the XYZ is your go-to. Its sleek design and user-friendly features make it a standout choice. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with stellar battery life, the ABC takes the crown. Its extended battery life and lower price make it a practical choice for everyday use. Got a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which smartwatch you think offers the best bang for your buck. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more quick and snappy product comparisons. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.